How much should you really spend on a fabric shaver? I see people buying the $12 ones and still complaining, while others drop $45 and wonder why they didn't do it sooner. The truth is, price doesn't always mean quality, and some of these budget options are shockingly good. Let's break down the real winners and who they're actually for. Product number 1, Peiyou Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. This Peiyou fabric shaver caught my eye because it looks like a high-end gadget but costs just $12.28. It's sleek white and feels surprisingly solid for the price. If you want a rechargeable shaver with smart features without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What makes it stand out is the digital LED display, something you don't usually see at this price. It shows battery level and speed settings, so you're never caught off guard mid-task. The 2600 mAh battery gives you up to 4.5 hours of use, and it charges fully in just 2 hours via USB-C. The 6-leaf blades spin fast and cut through pills quickly, and the bionic honeycomb mesh protects your clothes from snags. Plus, the lint container is easy to remove and wash. Now, some people might worry about durability since it's mostly plastic. And honestly, after heavy use, the build might not feel as premium as metal models. But here's the thing, this isn't meant to last 10 years. It's perfect for occasional home use, and at this price, replacing it every couple of years still costs less than one expensive model. This is perfect for you if you want modern features like an LED screen and long battery life, but don't want to spend more than $15. Skip this one if you're shaving large furniture daily or need industrial-level durability. For most people, though, it's a steal. Product number 2, POPCHOSE 6-leaf blade shaver. Next up is the POPCHOSE fabric shaver at $12.03, just 25 cents cheaper than the Peiyou, but with a different focus. This one emphasizes raw power with 9,000 rotations per minute and a protective cover system. If you want speed and fabric safety in one affordable package, this could be your pick. The honeycomb mesh is tight enough to protect delicate fabrics, and the included cover lets you switch between heavy-duty and gentle modes. The 1200 mAh battery lasts 1.5 to 2 hours, less than the Peiyou but still solid for the price. It also has a safety lock that shuts it off if the cover loosens, which is great if you have kids around. The downside, the battery life is noticeably shorter, especially on high speed. Some users also reported the lint container can get clogged if you don't clean it often. But here's the thing, this shaver is built for quick touch-ups, not marathon sessions. If you're doing a few sweaters or a couch cushion, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you want fast results and don't mind recharging every couple of uses. Skip this one if you need all-day runtime or plan to shave large blankets regularly. For quick, powerful cleaning, it's a solid choice. Product number 3, cashmere battery-operated shaver. Now we've got the cashmere fabric shaver at $11.38, the only one here that runs on AA batteries. It's simple, no frills, and from a trusted brand in garment care. If you want reliability and don't mind swapping batteries, this classic design still holds up. It has a large 2-inch shaving head, which means fewer passes over your clothes. The 3 depth settings let you adjust for delicate knits or thick upholstery. It's lightweight, easy to grip, and the detachable lint catcher makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, since it's battery-powered, you never have to wait for a charge. The big drawback, you need to buy AA batteries separately and they drain quickly on higher settings. Over time, that adds up both in cost and waste. Also, without a rechargeable battery, you lose the convenience of just plugging in overnight. This is perfect for you if you already have batteries on hand or want a backup shaver for travel. Skip this one if you hate dealing with batteries or want eco-friendly rechargeable convenience. It's old school, but it works. Product number 4, Philips Fabric Shaver. Now we're stepping up to the Philips at $24.10, still affordable but with a big jump in performance. This one has a large blade surface and spins at 8,800 RPM, making it one of the fastest on this list. If you want brand trust and efficient cleaning, this is where things get serious. The large blade covers more area per pass, so you spend less time shaving. The mesh has 3 hole sizes, so it grabs both tiny and large pills effectively. The height adjustment cap is a game changer for delicate fabrics. You can raise the blade to avoid snagging wool or cashmere. It even comes with batteries included, which is rare. The downside, it's louder than the cheaper models and the plastic build feels a bit basic for the price. Some users also said the pill container fills up fast and isn't as easy to clean. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of power, precision, and brand reliability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer ultra-quiet operation. For the extra $12 over the budget options, you get noticeably better performance. Product number 5, Electrolux Rechargeable Shaver. Finally, the Electrolux at $45.67, the most expensive here but also the most premium. It's all metal, has a sleek black design, and feels like a tool, not a toy. If you want long-term durability and top-tier performance, this is the one to beat. The 2000 mAh battery gives you up to 3 hours of use, and Type-C charging means it's future-proof. The 3-speed settings adapt perfectly to everything from silk blouses to heavy couches. It even comes in gift-ready packaging with extras like a spare blade and brush. The only real flaw? The price. At over $45, it's a big jump from the $12 options. And unless you're shaving daily, you might not need this level of performance. This is perfect for you if you want the best build quality and don't mind paying for it. Skip this one if you're only using it a few times a year. But if you care about your clothes and want something that lasts, it's worth every penny. So which one should you get? If you want smart features on a budget, go PayU. Need speed and safety, POPCHOSC. Prefer simplicity, Cashmere works. Want brand power and efficiency, Philips delivers. And if you want the best of everything and don't mind the price, Electrolux is your winner. Don't overpay for features you won't use. Pick the one that fits your life.